saw Sarah sitting across the cafeteria room, and I decided to approach her because I thought this girl was so cute. And then a year later, Sarah's church invited me to come lead worship for them, and after that, I asked Sarah to grab lunch.
Girl, just let me know that you wanna see me close. 행운도 뚫고 다시 거였고 사또. Say loving you's got me feeling brand new. Seeing you smile makes my.
And then after the couple dates, I asked her to be my girlfriend on October 23rd, 2022.
So exactly a year later, I was at a salt camp, and when I came back home, he surprised me and he proposed to me on October 23rd, 2023.
Like you, nobody feels me the way you do.
Sarah and I often say that God brought us together in our obedience, and I cannot wait to spend the rest of my life with my best friend, Sarah.
Loving you's got me feeling brand new. Seeing you smile makes my heart full of sunshine. You make my life so bright. Ain't nobody